Good morning, champs. Let's solve the integral of cosine squared of x times sine of x. We see a power of cosine and a sine factor. This suggests substitution with cosine. We set u equal to cosine of x, then du is negative sine of x dx. Now rewrite the integral. So we get negative u squared du. Now integrate. We get negative u cubed divided by 3. Finally, substitute back. So the result is negative cosine cube of x divided by 3 plus c. Why does this work? Because the derivative of cosine produces the sine term we need. Quick takeaway. When sine appears with cosine powers, substitute cosine.